Hey classers, welcome back to my YouTube channel, your go-to spot for Clash of Clans tips, tricks and strategy. Today we are diving into new Clash of Clans challenge that everyone been talking about. I will show you step by step how to crush it even if you are playing on your iPhone. So let's get started. First thing first, let's analyze the base. The key to winning the challenge is understanding its layout. Look at the defenses. Where are the Inferno Towers, X-Bows and Heroes? These are your main threats. Now second is deployment strategy. Now here is how you will deploy your troops. Start by funneling, place special troops at special location or to create a special path for your main army. Once the funnel is set, send in your main force like troops, balloons and peaks. Don't forget to use your spell like range or freeze to support them when they are facing heavy defenses. Next is mid-attack management. Okay, we are in the thick of it now. Keep an eye on your troops' health and adjustment. If your heroes are taking too much damage, activate their abilities just in time to maximize their impact. Here is the final push. Your troops should now be clearing of the base. Don't panic if you are down to wire. Every second counts. Use your last remaining spell strategically to save your army from super defenses. And boom, challenge complete. You've just mastered the new Clash of Clans event on your iPhone. Good game team. And this is how you beat the new Clash of Clans challenge. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more tips and guides. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next video.